Hello people with beautiful heart. Today I would like to share with you how you can make beautiful box very easy way and very fast. Just watch the video. Thank you. You need a wood box, scissors, some decorative papers and roll safe adhesive sticker paper. You need to unscrew all unnecessary small screws. Ready? Take it and self-roll on the adhesive paper and measure it the box. And that's paper very easy to apply and simply peel and stick on the wood. Don't rush, measure very carefully and cut it off. Have fun, enjoy your time when you're doing this beautiful box, and don't rush. Press very hard when you apply on the wood. It's cut it off all unnecessary papers as you see on the video, especially edges. Just when you cut the edges, just cut very carefully and just keep pushing the paper harder, and this paper will dry after 3. When you finish the part, you put all screws, tiny screws back. Make sure to all carefully insert it and unscrew the second part, the box, very carefully, and do exactly the same like you did on the top of the box. Our beautiful box is nearly ready, and put some screws back, and you can decorate this box with any decoration which you like it. You can do anything like a flower, anything you like. At the moment I just gonna decorate with some fabric ribbons, and thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it, and just enjoy your moment. Have fun.